Have you forgotten your PIN to get into your Samsung tablet? Well, guess what? I have too. But I know what the solution is. Give me just 1 minute to show you. All right, if you try just to power down the tablet, it's going to ask you power off. It's going to ask for your PIN, and obviously you don't know that. So here's the trick. First thing I'm going to do, get back to the main screen, and we are going to hold down the power down button, the volume down button, and the power until it starts to reboot. We'll see it here in just a second. Don't hit power off here. Okay, we're going to let go, and we're going to do power volume up and the power button now. We're still waiting. Still waiting. Waiting. Give it just a second. All right, so now we've got the recovery screen. And we're going to use the power up and power the volume up and volume down. This is going to wipe out everything. So I'm going to go down to reboot, wipe data, and factory reset. You may have to enter your Google account information and your password. So I'm using the volume up and volume down to go up and down the menu here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the power button to select that. And it says it's going to wipe all of my user data. Good thing is I'll be able to get back into my tablet. I won't have any of my pictures, emails, anything like that though. So factory data reset, and tap the power button again. Let's see, formatting data. So at this point it's formatting the memory. May take a couple of minutes, but you're still going to be able to get back into the tablet. You might have bought this tablet yard sale. You may have gotten it in a storage unit. It's telling me now to reboot the system. The data wipe is complete. So let's go here and click on the power button. Let's let it restart. Takes just a second. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Consider subscribing. I put out these kind of videos pretty regularly. All right, it is coming back up. There it is. Welcome. Go ahead and hit start. All right, I'm gonna agree to all. I'm gonna set up manually. I'm gonna skip because I don't want to set up the Wi-Fi. Skip. Just leave that there, that's fine. More. Accept. I'm gonna skip the PIN. Skip anyway. I'm gonna agree to that. We'll go with light mode. All set up. There we go. Tablet is up and functional. One caveat of doing this method is you lose all your data. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Have a great day.